Good morning, delegates, and welcome. The study of atoms has brought about many uses which are beneficial to man and many others which are not. Now, I wish to submit a very brief account of the uses of atoms in the light of their applications. 1. Source of power. Controlled nuclear fission can provide us with tremendous amounts of energy or power to do work. In the future, this could be our main source of power once our present sources of energy like coal and petroleum are exhausted. Among other things, energy from fission is used to power submarines, ships, and to generate electricity. In the near future, nuclear energy may be used to power rockets and spaceships. Now, how to get electric from atoms? In an atomic power station, there are a nuclear reactor, a boiler, turbines, and generators. Fission of the atoms takes place in the nuclear reactor. Much of the energy produced in the fission process is in the form of heat. The speed of the chain reaction is controlled carefully so that a steady supply of heat is produced. This heat is absorbed by a liquid metal, which then flows through a pipe to a boiler containing water. The heat from the hot liquid metal changes the water to steam. The steam is then used to turn generators which produce electricity for use in homes and factories. 2. Medical applications. Radioactive radium or cobalt is used to treat early stages of cancer. The radiation is used to kill the cancer cells, thus putting a stop to the growth of the cancerous tissue. Three, carbon dating. Like uranium, carbon has two kinds of atoms. One of them is radioactive, that is, it breaks up continuously. As time passed, the amount of radioactive carbon in an object became less and less. By finding out the percentage of radioactive carbon remaining in an object, scientists are able to calculate the age of an object. This method of determining age is called carbon dating. It is by carbon dating that nuclear scientists are able to ascertain the age of objects which archaeologists dig up from the ground. For tracer research, scientists are interested to know more about biochemical reactions, that is, reactions that take place inside a living cell. By using chemicals with radioactive atoms, the path of the chemicals in the cells can be traced. The radioactive atoms used in this way are called tracers, tracer atoms, and through them, biochemical reactions can be studied. In a word, the study of atoms is a fascinating subject that has yet to be exhausted. The more the scientists examine the atoms, the more mystery are uncovered. Today, apart from the electrons, protons, and neutrons, many more particles have been discovered. People are still in doubt as the actual basic unit of matter, so they are still asking the question men used to ask in ancient times: what is matter made of? An American scientist named German has postulated the existence of quarks as the basic building block of all matter. These are supposed to have electrical charges. The question as to whether quarks really exist or not is left to the future scientists to find out.